This ship is a class of 2 multi-role semi-stealth frigates to be built for the Philippine Navy. The ships are the derivatives of HDF 3000 frigate design, officially known as HDF 2600 frigate design, from Hyundai Heavy Industries, HHI, with design specifically accommodated to fit the requirements of the Philippine Navy. The contract has been signed between the Philippines Department of National Defense and Philippine Navy High Command officials, Hyundai Heavy Industries executives, and the South Korean ambassador to the Philippines on October 24, 2016 at the headquarters, Philippine Navy. Here are the general characteristics of the ship. A frigate-class warship. Has displacement of 2,600 tons or 2,560 long tons and 2,870 short tons, has a length of 107.5 meter or 352 feet 8 in and beam of 13.8 meter, and has 4 diesel engine that can produce 650 kilowatts, and has maximum speed of 25 knots or 46.3 km per hour. And has range of 4,500 nautical miles or 8,330 kilometers. This ship are equipped with armaments and weapons as follows.
TERMA's Sea Guard decoy launching system provide 360 degrees coverage, and will effectively counter advanced threats like small-range gate radio frequency (RF) missiles, imaging infrared (IR) seekers missiles, and advanced next-generation torpedoes. Defense against multiple missiles and torpedoes requires fast response and utilization of advanced tactics supporting the latest in decoy technologies. With more than 150 systems in operation worldwide, TERMA's Sea Guard is a well-proven and a cost-effective solution offering unmatched operational avenue. Availability. Sea Guard relies on combat-proven 130 mm NATO decoys and a proven mechanical launcher design without moving parts. It requires limited maintenance, thus guaranteeing high operational availability and low total cost of ownership. Sea Guard legacy and reliability is built on decades of missions on a vast number of vessels, ranging from patrol vessels to frigates, securing against unexpected missile and torpedo attacks during live naval operations ranging from surveillance to combat operations. The Otto Melara 76mm gun is a naval gun built and designed by the Italian defense company Otto Melara. It is based on the Otto Melara 76-62C and evolved towards 76-62SR and 76-62 Strales. The system is compact enough to be installed on relatively small warships. Its high rate of fire and the availability of several types of ammunition make it capable for short-range anti-missile point defense, anti-aircraft, anti-surface, and ground support. Ammunition includes armor-piercing, incendiary, directed fragmentation effects, and a guided round marketed as capable of destroying maneuvering anti-ship missiles. It can be installed in a stealth cupola. The Otto Melara 76mm has been widely exported, and is in use by 60 navies. It was favored over the French 100mm naval gun for the joint French-Italian Horizon-class frigate project and FREMM frigate. The ASELSAN Smash 30mm Super Rapid Gun is a remote-controlled naval gun system fitted with a 30mm gun integrated on a stabilized pedestal with independent electro-optic sight and surveillance mode, without aiming the gun. The system has excellent tracking and firing ability with a very high hit accuracy. It can be fed via two separate ammunition lines selected by the operator, using the remote operator command. The K-12 heavy machine gun is somewhat heavy for the gun class at 12 kg or 26 pounds, mainly because it has pistol grip, spade grip, and metal sliding stock all in one gun for the purpose of being quickly converted into a ground fire machine gun by a dismounted operator. The spade grip can be removed by taking out two pins, removing the grip, and unfolding the stock, which is similar in design to the FN Minime's Para version. Standard machine gun features are included like a folding or K3 style bipod, quick change barrel, gas regulator, and M240H style class H suppressor. It also has a folding ring sight for firing on helicopters with a folding ladder type sight for more accurate aiming. A close-in weapon system, or CIWS, is a point defense weapon system for detecting and destroying short-range incoming missiles and enemy aircraft which have penetrated the outer defenses, typically mounted shipboard in a naval capacity. Nearly all classes of larger modern warships are equipped with some kind of CIWS device. There are two types of CIWS systems. A gun-based CIWS usually consists of a combination of radars, computers, and rapid-firing multiple-barrel rotary cannons placed on a rotating turret. Missile-based CIWSs use infrared, passive radar (ESM) or semi-active radar terminal guidance to guide missiles to the targeted enemy aircraft or other threats. In some cases, CIWS are used on land to protect military bases. In this case, the CIWS can also protect the base from shell and rocket fire.
2, 1. Batteries released.
Simbad RC is a short-range, anti-air self-defense system deploying two fire-and-forget Mistral missiles. It has been designed to provide a primary self-defense capability on all warships or to complement the main air defenses of first-rank warships. Featuring an automatic launcher remotely controlled from an interior terminal, Simbad RC is ideally suited for ships with low crew numbers and for modern ship design requirements, particularly those relating to stealth and very fast craft concepts. Simbad RC provides an extremely effective defense capability against all threats including anti-ship missiles, combat aircraft, UAVs, helicopters, as well as small surface threats such as those presented by FIACs. Depending on ship size and/or crew requirements, Simbad RC offers a range of turret, SMURC configurations and system integration schemes. Being entirely operated by one interior-located operator, the Simbad RC system offers high availability in all weather and sea conditions. Vertical Launching System or VLS, is an advanced system for holding and firing missiles on mobile naval platforms, such as surface ships and submarines. Each vertical launch system consists of a number of cells, which can hold one or more missiles ready for firing. Typically, each cell can hold a number of different types of missiles, allowing the ship flexibility to load the best set for any given mission. Further, when new missiles are developed, they are typically fitted to the existing vertical launch systems of that nation, allowing existing ships to use new types of missiles without expensive rework. When the command is given, the missile flies straight up long enough to clear the cell and the ship, and then turns on course. The SSM-700K Haeseong or Sea Star anti-ship missile is a ship-launched sea-skimming surface-to-surface anti-ship cruise missile developed by the South Korean Agency for Defense Development (ADD), LIG-NEX-1 and the Republic of Korea Navy in 2003. The missiles are deployed on KDX-2 and KDX-3 destroyers as of 2006, each carrying 8 and 16 of the missiles respectively, and on ASELSAN-class frigates. The K745 Chung Sang-eo Blue Shark torpedo is a light anti-submarine torpedo developed for the Republic of Korea Navy in 2004. The Blue Shark torpedo can be deployed from surface ships, ASW helicopters and maritime patrol aircraft. Blue Shark torpedoes are fitted to the Incheon-class frigate. The Augusta Westland AW159 Wildcat, previously called the Future Lynx and Lynx Wildcat, is an improved version of the Westland Super Lynx military helicopter designed to serve in the battlefield utility, search and rescue and anti-surface warfare roles. In British service, common variants are being operated by both the Royal Navy and British Army, having replaced their Lynx Mk.7, 8/9 predecessors. The AW159 has also been offered to several export customers, and has been ordered by the Republic of Korea Navy and the Philippine Navy.